Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add and save your videos on Trello board. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Trello. You have to log in into your account and then you have to open the board that you're working on. So if you have to add a video here, you can just add a card and name it the way you want. I'll name it video here. Once you've created this card, you're going to click here. And then what you have to do, you have to click on attachment and then you can add the video right here. It's up to you. You can add the video from your uh, laptop or computer by clicking on choose file. Or what you can do is you can add a link to your video that is uploaded somewhere. And once when you've done it, you can also write an optional text here and then you can save this by clicking on insert. So that was it. That's how you add and save a video on your Trello board. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.